If you had to choose just one, XRP or gold, which could explode your wealth in this massive financial shift? Gold's hitting all-time highs, but XRP is quietly revolutionizing global payments. Stick around, because I'm revealing why picking both might be the smartest move yet. Hey, it's Saban on XRP, your go-to for cutting-edge crypto insights. If you're building wealth before the big shift hits, smash the subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Let's hit 5,000 subs this month. Your like and comment below, XRP or gold, helps the algorithm push this to more builders and viewers like you. All right, let's dive in. Someone DM'd me on X. Suban, if you push came to shove, would you dump gold for XRP? It's a killer question, especially with gold smashing records and central banks hoarding it like never before. Meanwhile, XRP is embedding itself into the backbone of institutional finance. But here's the twist. They're not enemies, they're allies in the new money era. Misunderstand this and you can miss out on big time. Today, I'll break it down so you can decide for your portfolio. First off, let's talk gold. It's not just a commodity you bury it in your backyard. It's a powerhouse collateral asset. Under Basel III rules, gold's classified as a Tier 1 asset, meaning it bolsters bank balance sheets and counters risk from skyrocketing sovereign debt and currency printing. Think about it. In a world where fiat money gets diluted daily, gold locks in your purchasing power over decades. No wonder central banks are stacking it at historic rates. Over 1,000 tons last year alone. It's like insurance against economic chaos. What do central banks know that most investors don't? They're prepping for a monetary reset. With global debt topping 300 trillion, gold offsets that instability. It's scarce, tangible, and has held value for 5,000 years. But here's the edge. It doesn't produce yield like stocks or bonds. It's a preserver, not a grower. If you're in it for long-term stability, gold's your anchor. I've seen portfolios where there crashes because of it. But gold has blind spots nobody talks about. It's heavy, literally. Moving it costs a fortune. It's slow for settlements, and forget real-time cross-border transfers. In a global economy humming at digital speeds, gold can't handle high-volume transactions or act as a fluid liquidity bridge. It stabilizes your wealth, sure, but it doesn't mobilize it. That's where things get interesting. Enter XRP, the asset built for movement. Ripple designed XRP to slash friction in cross-border payments, settling value in seconds across any jurisdiction. No more tying up billions in pre-funded nostril accounts. XRP acts as a neutral bridge, unlocking trapped capital and nuking counterparty risks. Institutions like banks and payment giants are integrating it for on-demand liquidity. We're talking real-world utility that's already processing billions in volume. This isn't hype, it's infrastructure. On my channel, we explore XRP's edge. Recent partnerships with major banks show it's not just surviving SEC hurdles, it's thriving. XRP's ledger handles 1,500 transactions per second, dirt cheap fees, and carbon neutral ops. Compare that to gold's clunky logistics. In a digitized world, XRP enables velocity, instant remittances, seamless trade finance, even tokenizing real-world assets. If global trade hits 30 trillion by 2030, XRP could capture a slice as the go-to settlement rail. Here's the big mistake, pitting XRP against gold like it's a cage match. Wrong approach. They operate on different layers. Gold anchors trust and stores value timelessly. XRP transmits it efficiently in a connected economy. Layer them together, gold for defense, XRP for offense, and you build a bulletproof strategy. Institutions get this. Central banks hoard gold for balance, while fintechs weave in XRP for speed. Retail folks, we chase one hype cycle and ignore the synergy. The trap that sinks most investors? Judging XRP by daily price swings instead of its plumbing role. Price follows adoption, deeper integrations, wider corridors, clearer regs. I watched holders panic sell during dips, missing 10x rebounds. Same with gold. Don't buy for quick flips. It's your hedge. Allocate based on your horizon. Short-term volatility for XRP means opportunity. Long-term hold for gold, steady grind. Personally, I'm stacking both XRP and gold. Gold's my insurance, 20-30% of my portfolio against debasement. XRP is my asymmetric bet, higher risk, but explosive upside as adoption ramps up. I use tax-smart tools and I hold them for long-term, compounding gains. Not predicting prices here. That's fool's gold. Focus on the shift. Tokenized economies. Real-time settlements. Ask yourself, what's your risk tolerance? Time frame? Build around that. So would I choose XRP over gold? Nah, I choose both for the win. If this sparked your strategy, drop a comment. Team XRP Gold Combo. Like, share, and subscribe to Suban on XRP. Thank you again. And remember, wealth isn't about picking winners. It's about positioning smart. This is for educational content only. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research and consult a professional before investing.